This beautiful bird is an African Paradise Flycatcher. It is a species of bird found in sub-Saharan Africa. It's known for its striking appearance, with males having long tail feathers during the breeding season. These birds are insectivorous and are often found in wooded areas, gardens, and savannas. They are known for their agile aerial maneuvers while hunting insects. The African Paradise Flycatcher is a striking and colorful bird with sexual dimorphism, meaning males and females have different plumage. The male is known for its extravagant plumage during the breeding season. It typically has a long tail which can extend well beyond its body. The head, neck and upper parts are often greyish to blue in color. The wings and tail feathers may have a glossy quality. In flight, the long tail streams behind it, giving it an elegant appearance. The female, in contrast, has a more subdued appearance. She usually has brownish grey upper parts and a shorter tail. Her underparts are pale and may have a slightly streaked or mottled appearance. Females lack the bold colours and long tail of the male. They build cup-shaped nests typically placed in the forks of tree branches. The female is primarily responsible for nest construction, using materials such as grass, plant fibers, and spider silk to create a delicate and well-hidden nest. The nests are often adorned with various decorations such as moss to help camouflage them. Note the engineering skills of these builders to anchor the nest to a tree. They select a long grass stem and tie 1/3 to the nest, 1/3 around the branch, and the last third again anchored to the nest, ready for a storm. The inside of the beak of African Paradise Flycatchers, as well as many other bird species, is often yellow due to the presence of carotenoid pigments. Carotenoids are organic pigments found in many plants, and birds acquire them from their diet. These pigments are responsible for the yellow, orange and red colors seen in various bird species. The yellow coloration on the inside of the beak may serve several purposes. First, for sexual signaling. In some bird species, vibrant colors like yellow can be a signal of health and genetic fitness. A yellow beak may be attractive to potential mates, indicating a healthy individual capable of finding a diet rich in carotenoids. Second, age and health. The brightness of the yellow coloration can also indicate the bird's age and health. A brighter yellow beak may suggest a younger or healthier bird. Third, feeding efficiency. Carotenoids obtained from their diet can play a role in enhancing their immune system and overall health, which can be important for a bird's ability to find and consume food efficiently. The specific sounds and songs of African paradise flycatchers can vary among individuals and populations. These birds have a diverse range of calls and songs. Their musical notes are a distinctive feature of their presence in their natural habitats. After nesting, the female will lay a clutch of eggs, usually 2 to 4 in number, and she incubates them. Both the male and female may take turns incubating the eggs. Once the eggs hatch, both parents are involved in feeding and caring for the chicks until they fledge and become independent.